Hey guys, I'm here with the SUNVIE 12 LED landscape lighting kit, and I just did a video of kind of like what comes in the box, but I wanted to film a separate video just to show on Amazon. I also had to buy the it's like 12 gauge 100 feet, which is more than I probably need, but of main line wire, and so that's going to be the wire that goes from the transformer to these little clips, which will go on the back of the lights or whatever. So like you'll hook in there or vice versa. Then the main line will go into this and keep going. So you'll just basically like squeeze into the main line, and each of these lights will get hooked up to the main line. And then you'll cap the main line at the end. And so I'm gonna show like a different install video and everything. But I wanted to make sure you knew that you had to get this separately. And depending on how many lights you're gonna have, you need more or less gauge in terms of like how much wattage and everything you're trying to power. But it's landscape lighting wire is the ticket, and I'm gonna be doing all 12 lights, which requires, it's either 14 or 12 gauge. Went with the 12 gauge just to make sure I had enough power. So, all right guys, just wanted to make sure you knew that. Catch you on the next video.